Hello, friends. Good day. Of code. So you have the I have this Copilot subscribed. So if you don't know what this is, you just right click Copilot. Explain this. Bingo. So even there is LLM everywhere. So this particular piece of code, the Copilot has already explained to me. So this is like what this piece of code is doing. Even if you are copy pasting from a blog, and if you are not able to understand, you can use Copilot to understand the in and outs of the program. So what I'm trying to do here is just do .NET Run. So as I said, there was no running successfully running version. So I did tweak the code in order to there is no build issues. So you could see there is no build issues. It ran perfectly fine. I just gave .NET Run. So you have to do .NET build so that it can pull the dependencies, do create an exe, then you do a .NET Run, then the assistant is live. So let's interact with the assistant. So there is a fiction this assistant. It is already there in the URL. I will have this URL in the video. I don't know how many of you are trying to view this video, but this is just on record, like how this can be done. It's a live, like if you don't have time to go through this whole, I have done it for you, and you can just refer this video. So I've just asked, can you please help me with a mail to my boss? Of course, I can assist you in writing an email for your boss. Could you please? This is interacting with my OpenAI, not the Dinkan. It's another way from Semantic Kernel how you can interact with OpenAI. So let's give them the topic and the recipient. So topic, I want to update her, and her email is. So let's try that out. Okay, here what we are saying is the I want to create an email and stating that the last month sales are doing good, but there is this particular model which is it's not performing well. So I don't know like what how it can if I have to spend it, I need to be good in writing emails. But look at the beauty here. It is creating the entire email content for me with the subject. You could see this is the planner that is trying to kick in here. Actually, what it would have done is it would have showed me what. Okay. Uh, okay. So let's see. I hope this mail finds you well. I want to, because in this case it skipped one step. It would have told me, like in this case the blog. I don't know. Sometimes it is like it may hallucinate. So in the blog, what it does is it will tell you the steps. The assistant will tell you the steps how you have to frame this email before sending it. That did not happen here. Anyway, the Murphy's laws apply here. If you think of something else, it's most likely to happen. It's a demo. It's okay. So anyway, we have what we have is the planner didn't kick in, but it has given me the email saying that this is how you draft it. Provide the total. So it is say asking me, please review the suggested email and let me know if you have any changes or additions you would like to make. Okay, well, so what I'm trying to say is just add a 20% increase in the revenue. Sorry. Okay, let's see what happens here. Let's see. Copy, paste. Oops. Okay, first time. Okay, that's an error, but let's see what happens here. Yes. Let's do it one more time. Okay, here. .NET Run. Let's try one more time. That's Control C. This time the email won't be same as previous. I want to Okay, so it's asking for the email. So hope the planner should kick in now. Let's see in this run how it, because I've been running this for multiple times. Hope the planner might have uh, thought that okay, based on the information, here is the recommended structure of the email. So I hope this email finds I wanted. So blah 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 blah. So cool, cool. Okay, now that's a great help from for a salesperson. It's interacting with the assistant and it's able to make out that. So please review this draft. Include okay. So this is where it crashed. So we are trying to be careful this time. Okay, certainly. Here is the updated version of the email. So can you add that we increased our revenue by? You can also share that it didn't sell as well since the customers upgraded to, but this isn't too passive. So let's see that it's improvising the email. So now you don't have to. You can continue this conversation, but you can direct the assistant saying that just go ahead and just send the email. So that cannot be done with LLMs. That is the beauty of semantic kernel, where you can add plugins, personas, and the planner. So please sign it and go ahead and send it to. There is a delay here. That's why you because it's running in my local, and I'm trying to find show two demos. One is the Ollama, the other one is OpenAI. So let's give it some time. Anyway, I will trim it in the final uh, video. So as it comes, actually it has to kick in the okay the email sent. So this email is just a text from this plugin. This is just to show you that a plugin is triggered. I have sent the email. Okay, could you please let me see? Could you please show the plan? I apologize for sharing the plan with you. So here is the planner kicking out. So here we have told them like how you set up the planner. Um, So based on that, the LLM is trying to give us the plan required to execute this. So that's it, guys. So what we have done here is we have created so similar to this. Instead of this connector, there was a typo here. Uh, I just created. I just interacted with OpenAI, and I just created an agent. It's an That's it. We go. Thank you, guys.